Assalamualaikum to everyone. Welcome to Mathematics Points. So students, today we will continue our chapter 8, that is percentage D1, and in new books it is chapter 4. Or today we will do practice now 4. Now I read out the statement from the book. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Uh, Practice now for question number 1. A school has 1500 students. Given that 3% of them were late for school on a particular day, find the number of students those who were punctual for school. Now we find out the number of those students in which I am not included. So just kidding. Yani कि we have to find out the number of those students that are punctual on that day. वर्ड प्रॉब्लम जब भी आप रीड आउट करेंगे इसको देख के घबराना नहीं है, हार्ट अटैक किसी को मत आए. जस्ट underline the important data that is given in the and read out your statement in the form of chunks. First of all, that a school has 1500 students, so this is your total number of students that you have in the school. Then 3% of them are late. Total are 1500 and 3% of 15 are late, over late, and we have to find those number of students that are punctual. Now from having these two statements or these two terms, we just make our equation. Okay, now we make the statement that we have 30%. It is given that 30 no 3%. 3% students were late. Okay, 3% were out of 1500 students. ठीक है, 3% students were late out of 1500. So this is the total number of students. This is the number of latecomers, percentage of latecomers. So we have to find the first of all latecomers. Then we will find the students those were punctual. Now solve this again. 3%. When this percentage sign this is given, very simple. Just remove its sign and divide the term by 100. Of means that multiply 3% of 1500. So here is the 1500. Now cutting these two zeros with each other. In the denominator we just have 1, so there is no need to write 1 again, as when there is no any term, so there is 1, and there is no any sign, there is plus sign. So now multiply 3 into 15. It is visible? Okay, so now we multiply 3 with 15. So we get 45. So 45 is the number of students that were latecomers. Now by using this number, this is the number of that particularly peoples of the students that were late on that particular day. Now when we subtract it with the total, so we get the number of those students who are punctual for school. कुछ अच्छे बच्चे होते हैं ना, मुझे छोड़ के. Okay जी, now we write down punctual student. Total number of students that we have is 1500. Now from 1500 we minus those ज़्यादा बचे, then we will get our answer. Okay जी, 1455. So 1455 is the number of the students that are punctual for school. Now look at this question overall. It is very simple that we have a percentage. To find the percentage, 3% of 15, and this percentage represented the latecomers. Then when you simplify the same method as we have done at the start of this chapter, how to solve the percentage sign, get this number of students, then subtract from the total, get your required answer. Okay, now question 2 of practice of 4. 800 people attended the National Day dinner in a certain constituency. Given that 35.5% of them were men and 40% of them were women, and the rest were children, find the number of children who attended the dinner. Okay, again, now point out the things that the total number is given is 1800. From 18 we have 35.5% men and 40% women, and we have to find out the bachas party and okay, children's. So 2% are given, total number is this, and now we've solved the question. Okay, practice now for question 2. ठीक है. Overall in any category we have 100%. Suppose if you and we talk about that how many marks you scored in your maths paper. Suppose you score 80-90%. So when you saying that I'm just score in 90%, so that is out of 100. Now keep in mind that whenever we are talking about the percentage, that is out of 100 total percentage. So in a specific day in the national dinner, there were 100% of the people, in which 35.5 were men. So we have to subtract total percentage is 100, 35.5 percentage, the percentage of men, and women percentage were 40%. Now when we subtracted these two percentage from the 100%, so the remaining quantity that we get as the answer, that will be the percentage of the children. So first of all we will minus it. We get 24.5%, and look at this calculator, 100 minus 35.5 minus 40, ठीक है, and we get the answer that is to 25.5%. So this is the percentage of the children. Now this is the percentage, okay, and we have to figure out in the numbers that how many numbers of the children were there in that particular dinner. So we have to find it. Number of the children, percentage of the children were 24.5. 24.5 of what? Of total persons, and total persons were there in that day, that is 1800. ठीक है. आप देखिए आपके पास स्टूडेंट्स जो बच्चे थे, चिल्ड्रंस, इनकी परसेंटेज कितनी बन गई? 24.5%. 24.5% किसकी? टोटल नंबर ऑफ द पर्सन. टोटल नंबर ऑफ पर्सनस आर 1800. 1800 की 24.5% जो थी वो छोटे बच्चों की. दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. नाउ अगेन वेरी इजी. व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व द परसेंटेज, व्हाट इज नीड टू डू? रिमूव दिस साइन एंड डिवाइड योर टर्म बाय 100. ठीक है. ऑलरेडी परसेंटेज में ना आपको कन्वर्ट करना है, तो आपको 100 से डिवाइड करना. एंड देन ऑफ 1800 मीन्स दैट मल्टीप्लाई बाय 80. चाहो तो ऐसे डायरेक्ट कर लो, ठीक है, या चाहो तो आप कैलकुलेटर से इसको जो कुछ करना है डायरेक्ट डिवाइड कर लो. नाउ वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 24.5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 18. ठीक है, क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर में 1 है, एंड देयर इज 1 इन द डिनोमिनेटर, डोंट नीड टू राइट इट अगेन. सो वी मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय, okay, so by multiply it we get answer that is 441. So this 441 is the number of the children in that dinner. ठीक हो गया, हो गया, खत्म भी हो गया. Now we move towards the practice of 5. चलें जी. now बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. Now we'll solve the practice now 5. दिखने में ये बहुत ऐसी लग रही है जिस तरह ओह बहुत ड्रॉमी है ये तो, लेकिन इन एक्चुअल इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल. All the 4 problems of practice now of this exercise, especially the percentage chapter, are very easy. So we'll start reading the statement. There were 30,000 people in a village A and 4,000 people attending this new year party. ठीक है. village A, first data. in village A there are total number of people are 30,000 and 400,000 people attend the new year party. Okay, then there were 25,000 people in village B and 2,800 people attended this its new year party. Again is that another village B, and out of 25,000 only 2,800 people attend the new year party. Which village has a higher percentage? Okay ji, you have to tell the higher one. So first of all look out the data, that you have 2 data. First is solve this one, that out of 30,000 only 4,000 people entered a party, and we have to find the percentage. So 4,000 divided by 30,000 multiplied by 100. Now we get the percentage. Same is that, apply the procedure for the second one and then compare both the percentages. Okay, now make the statement. ठीक है जी. percentage of people attend party New Year party. Okay, ji. How many people attended New Year party in village A? We are talking about the village A. Total number of people that attend the party were 400, 4,000 out of 30,000, and we have to find the percentage of those. So for percentage, multiply by 100% to convert anything into the percentage. So by solving this, we get the answer 13.3%. The number of people who attend the party in village A. Now look at the calculator that how I solve this. Use the bracket 4,000 divided by 30,000, then close the bracket and multiply by 100. By getting this, we'll get the answer that is 13.3333. Now we'll solve for the village B. Okay, ji. Percentage of people who attend party in village B. Total number of people that attend the party on that specific day were 2,800 out of 25,000, and we have to go to find the percentage. So for percentage, we multiply the term by 100%. Now simplify it. 2,800 divided by 25,000, 1 2 3, and multiply by 100. So we get the answer that is 11.2. So we write down our answer 11.2% here. Knowing that of the question, which village has a higher percentage of the people who attended its party? So we have or make a comparison between the two. This is the answer of the village A, the number of people who attend the party, New Year party in that day, and this is the answer of village B. Now compare both the quantities. Which village on that day have the higher number of the people? So village A. So higher percentage on that day was of the percentage of village A. At the end, write down a statement that village A has higher percentage of people on that day who attend the New Year party, and whatever you want to write here. So this is done with practice of 4 and 5, alhamdulillah. Now in the next video, we will solve question 5, 6 and onward, because the question from 1 to 4 already explained in my lectures. So students, if there is any query, again any query regarding to your word problem or any statement, so you can put your query in the comment box. Your queries, your comments has been read from me and definitely matter to me. And again at the end, that if you didn't subscribe the channel, so kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon, and also suggest other students to subscribe this channel. Take care of yourself, and Allah Hafiz.